Complete beginners are building apps without knowing how to code. That's called vibe coding, and with the AI tools we have today, you can build any app that you want. On my last video, someone actually commented, can you make a study tool app for school/college? So I spent the last 24 hours building this app from scratch with AI. The best part is that I already launched it and got my first paying customer. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I built it step by step. So we already have idea for the app, which is study app, but we still need to figure out what type of problem this app is going to solve. So first, I'm going to go to Claude and ask it to give me 10 great study tool app ideas that would solve a real problem and would be really valuable to students. By the way, if you have an idea for the app you want me to build in the next videos, just leave it in the comments. All right, so after asking Claude for app ideas, I got some interesting suggestions. Now, I just want to make sure that the app will be easy to market on social media and would have a big demand. And after some brainstorming together with Claude, I think I got a pretty good idea that would be easy to market, have demand, and be simple to communicate the value. This panic planner idea sounds really good. A student has 48 hours before an exam and hasn't studied yet, so what he does is upload a course material, tell how many hours he can realistically study, and it builds a priority list of things to learn to maximize his grades given the limited time that he has. The best thing is that the app will be easy to market, and the market for it is huge. Everyone procrastinates and has this problem. Also, if a student genuinely gets good results with it, he would tell his friends and they would start using it as well. All right, so to build this app, I'm going to be using a tool called Emergent. In my previous videos, I used Claude, but building with Claude requires you to deploy your software yourself, which is more complicated. And since Emergent runs on the latest Claude Opus models, it's even better because now you have everything in one place, meaning you won't need to set up complex APIs and you will literally be able to deploy your app and make it go live with one click. They also give you a free trial for the whole month, so if you want to follow along as I build this app, just click the top link in the video description to sign up. Now let's go to Emergent and log in. As you can see, we have a full stack app, mobile app, landing page, and brainstorm sections. I'm going to go with full stack so Emergent can build everything in one place. You also have this agent section, which allows you to pick an agent type. We have stable agent, relentless, focus and diligent, a front-end only apps agent, and agent for mobile apps. Now for my app, since it's a study app, I'm going to go with focused and diligent. For the model, I'm choosing Claude 4.5 Opus. I'm going to write build me a study app, and then I'm just gonna drop the app description that was created during our ideation process. And just like that, the agent starts connecting the pieces together and building our app. And it quickly follows up, asking me to give me more context about the app. So I'm going to answer all of these real quick and click send. By the way, Emergent isn't some sort of new tool that just came out. It's been around for a while now with over 6 million people already using it and building apps. They also hit 100 million in annual recurring revenue in just 8 months. And it was ranked as a top 5 AI builder in just 4.5 months. As you can see, multiple AI agents are generating different things. At the moment, the design agent is running. Now the testing agent is running to properly test the app. All right, the agent just finished building our first prototype. Let's have a look. So we have a landing page clearly explaining what the app does. When I click on get my plan, it instantly prompts me to create an account. Let's try to log in and see if it works. All right, awesome. It built a complete survey with the exam name, course materials, exam deadline, and how much time I have to study. Now, I'm not a student myself, so I'm going to ask Claude to create course material for a biology midterm course so I can properly test this app. So I have the PDF with the course material ready. I'm going to type in biology midterm, upload the course material right here, select my exam deadline and how much time I have to study, and click generate. And nothing happened. So I'm going to tell my agent, I just tried to generate a study plan, but it didn't work. Please make sure it works. The Emergent agent now says that it fixed the issue. And yes, now when I log into my account, I can clearly see the plan for the biology midterm. It shows the deadline until the exam. It gives me the priority queue with the exact topics I should focus on first, the ones that have the biggest impact on my grades. As you can see, for example, key concept review has a 40% impact on the grade and problem solving practice has 35%. So if I were just to prioritize these two, they would probably do majority of the heavy lifting. Now, it also includes the time it's going to take to learn these and the difficulty of the topic. Also, if I expand on these, I can see the questions I should practice and why these topics are important. As I go through each topic, I can click start block and it tells the app that I'm currently on this topic. Overall, this already looks like something others could start using. The only thing I don't like is the design. So I just dropped a screenshot of the design to Claude and ask it to give me a prompt I could use to upgrade this design. I'm just going to drop this prompt into Emergent and see what comes up. All right, this looks much better now. Like honestly, I feel like this is good enough to start driving traffic to. So before I start advertising this, I need to finish few things to ensure everything is ready. And the first thing is I need to add payments, but I really don't know how to price this correctly. So I'm gonna ask Claude for some suggestions. So it suggested I have two different tiers, a free tier, which gives only one course plan, and a pro tier, which gives you unlimited courses plan. I will ask Claude to create a prompt that I could use to install this pricing system into Emergent. All right, so I just dropped the prompt into Emergent and now the AI agent is preparing everything. So Emergent analyzed everything and created a summary with a few questions. So I'm just gonna ask him to proceed. Now, after about 20 minutes, Emergent has finished the Stripe setup, but the only problem is that it's on test mode and my actual Stripe account is not connected. So I asked Emergent, what should I do in order to connect my own Stripe account with my own API keys? You can pause the video right here and see the exact prompt I used for that. And after that, they gave me full instructions on how to connect my own Stripe account. So all of the payments are going to go through my own account. After about 5 minutes, I was able to set everything up by following the instructions and have my Stripe account active. Now, when I go and click on the Pro plan, I'm being sent to the payment link, which has my Stripe account logo on it. Now, there's no description on this payment link, so I'm going to fix this later. And another thing is that I don't think asking to pay the whole semester upfront is a good idea. I think doing just a manual monthly subscription will be much better. So I'm going to ask Emergent to change the pricing plan. All right, Emergent updated the pricing structure. Now, the pricing plans are not being displayed on the landing page. They are only shown once students are inside the app and have started using it, if they want to unlock more benefits. The only thing is that I think we're giving out too much for free. So I'm going to drop this prompt into Emergent to limit the free plan. That way students can upload their material and see that the AI agent generated something valuable, but they can't access the full details without upgrading. Emergent also took care of the product description on the payment link. And just like that, we have authentication, the database, AI, and now payments all inside Emergent. I didn't need to set up external tools like Supabase. Everything is built in. And one thing I really like is that if I ever wanted to leave Emergent, I can take my whole code with me. Now, let's get this thing live. Before making the website go live, I also made sure to set up a separate section inside the app for users to cancel their subscriptions. And now let's click deploy and make this app go live. Now, if you watched my last video where I used Claude Code, you know that deploying was a whole process. Setting up Vercel, configuring environment variables, it was a lot of steps. And with Emergent is literally one click. You click deploy and it handles everything. All right, after about 10 minutes, the app is live. So here's how it looks in the browser. And by the way, Emergent also has a GitHub integration, so you can sync your code and pull it down anytime. They also ranked #1 globally in SWE benchmark twice, the only platform among other competitors to do that. So this isn't just easy to use, but the code it writes is actually top class. So the app is live, but nobody knows about it yet. Now, of course, this is just the first version, right? As you go, you would want to keep improving the actual AI so it keeps getting better results for the customers. But you never want to spend months building it only to find out no one actually wants it. Now, I could create content myself, try to go viral, and drive traffic to the app. But I want to test this app faster and see if it has demand. So I went on social media and started reaching out to study influencers, accounts that post study tips, productivity content, exam motivation, the exact audience that would use this app. I messaged a bunch of them asking if they would do a paid promo. And after reaching out to about 20 of these pages, one of them actually got back to me. me. I sent him the link to the app, explained what it does, and asked him to try it out himself and share his honest opinion with his followers on his story. And after about 2 hours of the story going live, I actually got my first paying customer. At this point, it only has been 24 hours since I started building this app, and the story was posted about 4 hours ago. So I'm definitely hoping to get more customers from this. Now, moving forward, I would start creating my own content for this app instead of relying on paid promotions, and I would build my own audience. This just goes to show that today, using AI tools like Emergent, you can make any app idea a reality. You just need to make sure that the idea solves a problem and it has a demand. Again, I'm gonna leave a link to try out Emergent with a free 30-day trial at the top of the video description so you can start building today. If you want to see another video where I built an app from scratch, you can watch it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.